Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Destiny and I'm going to show you how I achieved this super cute lock retwist ponytail with a bang and curls. This style is perfect if you want something sleek, feminine, and versatile, whether it's for a birthday, date night, vacation, or just because you want to feel like that girl. If you like content like this, lock care, styling, and maintenance, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. First, I already washed my hair. I used a moisturizing shampoo and a clarifying shampoo because you want to make sure that your locks are clean before retwisting. For this retwist, I'm using water in a spray bottle, oil for my scalp, scrunchies to separate my hair, pipe cleaners for the curls. So first things first, I section out my hair into 4 sections. It just makes it way easier to deal with because I have thick hair. I take about this many locks from the back, and you can decide how high or how low you want your ponytail to be. I know I wanted mine a bit high, so I just went all the way to the top. I separated out 1 row from the middle, and then I decided to just flat twist my hair. Once I'm done flat twisting, I use a rubber band to secure it at the base, and I pretty much do that around the rest of my hair. So I follow my original parts and I follow my original lines, and I just try to make sure that whatever flat twist that I'm doing is both even with the others and as neat as it can be. What I also do is I section off the locks that are high tension locks for me. So these are around my perimeter, and I do this so that I don't cause too much tension on my hair and too much tension on my locks. Now we're adding curls. So what I do here is I take my pipe cleaner and I wrap the ends of my lock around it, and I just kind of roll it up until I reach to the base. Afterwards, I wrap the end of the pipe cleaner around the base of the lock, and then I cut off the excess. Now for the bang, which is my favorite part, I section off 3 locks on both sides of the middle of my hair, so 6 locks total, and I'm gonna do 2 or 3 rope twists so that I can have a bang going to the side. And when I'm ready to wear this all the curls out, I'm gonna take out the locks and the rope twist so that I can have a nice curly flow. So that the lock bun is a little bit sleek and elegant, I decided to do lock petals because I wanted it to be just a little bit girly and cute. What I do is I take 3 locks, I kind of curl them over towards the base, and then I just use a rubber band to secure them. I also added a pipe cleaner to 2 locks at the base of my ponytail just so that I can have those curls there as well. I just finished my retwist. I wanted to do a messy bun, but honestly I could not get the bun to be even and messy, so I settled for a Loc Petal Bun, which I love, and it's so easy, so seamless. Goes with a bang. And now I'm just letting my hair set, and tomorrow when everything is sun dried, I'm gonna take out these little what are they called, pipe cleaner curlers, and we're gonna see how everything looks. If you try this style, tag me. I love seeing your looks, and let me know in the comments what style you want next. Maybe I have up, half down, barrel curls, updo, whatever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.